Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to resubscribe contacts to marketing emails in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your HubSpot account credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the marketing and CRM tools. After you've logged in, look toward the top of your screen where you'll see several icons and navigation options. Find and click on the gear icon, which represents your settings. This is where you can configure various aspects of your HubSpot account, including email preferences and subscription management. Once the settings panel opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see different categories listed vertically. Scroll down until you locate the Tools section. This section houses all the technical configurations for your HubSpot workspace. Within the Tools section, click on Marketing. This will expand to show you additional options specifically related to your marketing activities. From the expanded menu, click on Email. This section controls all your email marketing settings, including how contacts are managed and what emails they receive. Now, at the top of the email settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Subscriptions. This is where you manage how contacts can subscribe or unsubscribe from your marketing communications, and it's the key area for controlling resubscription options. As you look through the subscriptions page, find the section called Resubscription and Sending Options. This area is specifically designed to control how you handle contacts who may have become disengaged or who need to be brought back into your email campaigns. Inside that section, you'll see an option that says "Don't send to unengaged contacts." Next to this text, there's a toggle button. Click on this toggle to turn it on. Enabling this feature allows HubSpot to automatically manage your contact engagement and helps improve your overall email deliverability by focusing on active subscribers. And that's it. You've now configured your resubscription settings in HubSpot, which will help you better manage your marketing email contacts and ensure your campaigns reach the right audience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.